I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this eye look. I really love how this eye look turned out and I'm excited for you guys to see it. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Today I'm going to be doing my eyes first. Don't worry, it will look very messy, but it will turn out really well. I'm going to take the shade right here and put it in my crease.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy.
I am going to be using this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette.
Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world.
I'm going to go in with this yellowy shade right here. Go into the shade right here and just pop that lower in my crease. Now I'm going back in with the brown shade right here, and I'm just going to be blending my crease together.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah.
I'm going back into that transition shade again, and I'm just lightly blending out the top edge.
I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fear.
Okay, now we have the crease completed. Now we are going to clean it up with some concealer. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer.
I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leap.
So now I'm going back in with the red shade right here, and I'm going to put that right along the edge. So I'm going to do the same step on this eye, this eye, and I will be right back. If you wanted to, you could leave it like this, the cut crease, but I want to make it into a double cut crease now. So now I'm going to kind of work backwards. So I'm going to put the darker colors on the outside and the inside and make it like a halo with the lighter colors in the middle. And I'm still following that shape, but I'm leaving a space in the middle of my eye. So I'm going to start with the darkest shade that we used. We are going to put this shade on the inner and outer corner.
Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
The next shade we are going to be using is right here, and we are going to put it closer to the center of our eyelid. the eyelid, we will be putting this shade. When you're working with mattes and building up color, you want to pack it on, you don't want to swipe. I'm going back in with the purple shade and bringing it up higher. And I'm just flaring it out, but we will clean this up with a makeup wipe. And I'm going to deepen it up. And now I'm going back in with the yellow shade. I'm just blending the center together. So now I'm going to very carefully take this teeny tiny brush and go over the blank space with concealer.
Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh.
So what I suggest doing is putting your finger around it like this. And now what I'm going to do is clean up the edge.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by.
So I'm going to do all of that to my other eye and I will be right back. Okay, so I have finished my eyeliner and I popped on some false lashes. Today I am wearing the velour, I don't know what they're called. And I'm going to finish up the rest of my face makeup and I will be right back. So I'm back. I finished all of my face makeup and I really love how this eye look came out. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!